icing and building this Halloween chocolate cookie house. Let's go. We're gonna open it up. Lay it down. You don't want to break any of the pieces because then it won't assemble properly. Assemble means go together. Take out the cookies easily.
And then the black and orange icing.
Here's a little small one. There's candy corns, candy beads,
Candy
bones, and candy bags.
And these icing tips for the piping bags.
Okay, whatever this is also.
Oh, that's the stand for it.
Oh, that's the stand? You can, this is where you set it up and then you can like frost it. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, so first you have to prepare the icing. You gotta squeeze it around. You're gonna squeeze it around a little bit until it gets a little bit more soft and room temperature.
How do you know if it's room temperature?
Because it'll be in the same room.
Room temperature?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm guessing now we start assembling or cut the icing tip. So I'm guessing
You unscrew that. I'll unscrew this one.
because I'm going to cut the tip off. And now that these two tips were cut, we are going to
Assemble the house.
arrange our house pieces for assembly. Wow.
Look at these candies.
Okay, so here are some brick cookies and some ghosts. Whatever these are.
Those are tombstones.
Oh. Oh yeah, and you break them apart, I guess.
Yeah, you break the tombstones apart, and then
Here's a wall.
yeah, that's a wall with a window you can decorate. Oh, and we're gonna use
No, we can tell them when we're building
Okay,
it.
no spoiling. We're not.
Door.
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 I guess.
Here's another wall. And then
Roof.
here's some roof pieces.
That we can decorate with this icing.
And then here are the two fronts, or front and the back.
Or the sides. The sides.
Okay, so
Next, I think we stick them together.
we insert. Now, we're going to put it may not look like the back, but we're going to put the back onto the tray. Give me the black icing. At least I think this is the icing we're supposed to use.
Yeah, we use icing. Okay, so you just apply it on the bottom.
No. I think we just apply it onto this first.
Okay.
That's the instructions. Wait. Lay these out on the table. Move everything away. Move everything. Move this right here. All we really need is the front and the back, but we may as well just get them all lined out.
It smells really good.
Okay, so
Can I use the orange icing to ice too?
let's use the black one first because there's more of it, so we won't run out as easily.
Yeah, good idea.
Actually,
Yeah,
squeeze
so-
it out.
So I'm gonna add a third one. And you wanna make
Ah! That scared me.
you gotta make sure you go careful because you don't want it to be squiggly and you don't want to mess up.
Okay, so now I'm going to assemble these two pieces, those are the doors. So I'm going to have a front door and a back door. I'm assembling the back door first. Will you do the honors of holding this up so I don't make it fall? And then boom! Okay, so now, okay. Okay, so I'm guessing I just
I'll hold these while you put it in.
thank you, and I'm gonna rearrange it a little bit. Okay, I got that one on.
good. Yeah. There's black lining in our house.
Ah! I'll just stick on. Okay.
Stick on.
Now that we have the base of the house, that's what it looks like from the front. Fix that it's not quite sticking. Okay, that's good. Okay, so these are our next pieces. We're going to ice this part, this right here, and then we're going to stick these on the shingles.
And I've just realized that there's actually a chimney on it because these indents are for the chimney that these pieces are. Pretty nice, isn't it? That, just stick it. So we got this stuck on already. Now we're putting on the second one.
It kind of got a little messy over on this side.
Okay,
Okay, so here's the front of it. It looks like a little gingerbread house, but it's actually cookies.
Yeah.
And not gingerbread.
Yeah,
Okay,
I think it's
so
chocolate graham cracker from what our mom said.
now we're gonna add the chimney.
Oh, yeah. So,
We're outlining the chimney. So this goes here. This goes here.
and then these two go on the sides. How is this?
We're done with our ghosts. Mine's derpy, as I said. And now I'm going to add a doorknob. This should look spooky at the end.
Maybe even derpy, like the ghost couple that lives here.
So, the undecorated house. Mr. Derp. That's his name, Mr. Derp. You like it?
Is this Mrs. Dirt?
Yes.
Because look, she is very, very dirty.
Let me see. Oh my gosh. The bulgy eyes now. If you look at it from the side, his eyes go way out there, and when you look at these, like, what's up?
I'm actually gonna add on these beads for eyes.
Time to decorate!
And quickly, I'm gonna eat one of these hard cakes.
Wait for me.
I'm right, they're hard. Oh, that tastes like lime.
Pure sugar. So I'm gonna put some spiders on the top of this star tip. I'm just gonna like dab it.
Oh, and can you hand me the scissors? Because I'm gonna put some bats on the side.
Okay, don't make them. Give me a black one to try when you open them. You gotta make sure this candy is quality.
Three, two, one.
Ow!
Wait, can you hand me the light so I can put a dab on this?
It's kind of sour. By the way, do you like my spider?
I'm using the light to stick on some little bats.
And on the next one's over here, I'm sticking on some orange bats. What color are you putting on?
Black.
I'm gonna put this odd species of bat onto my side. Okay. 2 more blobs are being sacrificed. And I'm using this extra blob, but I didn't blob on. I know what you're saying. Emma, Lily, you're professional artists. No. First gingerbread house.
It's not gingerbread.
Oh. Meh. Okay. You done with your side?
Nope.
Okay, well.
You can keep decorating.
Okay, now we're going to decorate the front. So, here is our finished product. So, we got it backwards, and this says Sister Crafts. Hi, guys. But, they started to fall over, so we tried to put them a candy corn, and it still kept falling over, so that's out of the way. So, Mrs. and Mr. Derp are just laying down.
Yeah.
Can I eat Mr. Derp?
Oh.
I'm eating Mr. Derp!
I'll eat Mrs. Derp. Sorry, I have to rip your hair off.
gingerbread house. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you later.